Hey, what is this?
This is a Spittake media production.
Oh, sick. It's my alarm clock.
Hey! How you doing?
What the hell? Dude, you're not a... What are you?
I'm your alarm clock. You ordered me online.
You're not an alarm... You're a person, dude.
No, I'm not. I'm an alarm clock. See, it says right here.
So you're telling me that you're an alarm clock? Dude, you're a... Go home! Go home!
I can't. You ordered me.
I didn't order you. I ordered an alarm clock.
You certainly did. I have the receipt. It's right here.
Oh, why? How do you even tell the time?
I have my phone right here.
Where's the snooze button?
You don't want to know.
Oh my god. Alright, come in.
Alright, sick man. What do you got for food?
So you're just gonna sit there and stare all night?
That's what I've been hired to do.
You're not gonna sleep anywhere?
I don't sleep. What time do you want to get up?
7?
You got it, boss. Sweet dreams.
Good night, I guess.
Wake up! Wake up! What's going on? It's so late, man!
What time is it?
2 p.m.
2 p.m.? You're supposed to wake me up at 7, man! 7!
I may have slept
What are you
in.
doing? You slept in? You said you didn't sleep!
Dude, everyone sleeps.
Oh my god!
Have fun at work.
Where's my wallet? Where's my wallet?
Oh, I may have went to Subway, so here you go.
Oh my god!
I didn't save you any.
Wait a minute, where's my keys?
You may need to get some more gas.
Oh my god!
Have fun at work. I'm a good alarm clock.
Dude, you have to wake me up on time. Are you even paying attention to me?
Yeah, I'm upgrading my basic class.
Are you kidding me, dude? You're an alarm clock. You're supposed to wake me up on time. If you do not wake me up on time tomorrow, I am fired. I am fired. I cannot miss this meeting. Will you please wake me up on time?
Yeah, but what is it, like 8 or something?
7! You're an alarm clock! 7 a.m. I've told you. 7 a.m.
You got it, boss.
No, I don't have it. You have it. You're an alarm clock. Wake me up.
Got it, boss. Sweet dreams.
What time is it? Holy crap, it's 3:30 p.m. Wait a... Alarm clock! Alarm clock! Alarm clock! Alarm clock! Alarm clock, where? What the heck? This is alcohol? Alarm clock, wake up!
Gotcha.
Dude, you're drinking alcohol on my couch?
I guess it's ironic. You woke me up this time.
You were supposed to wake me up at 7 a.m. It's 3:30 p.m. That's it, I'm fired. Why didn't you wake me up?
Real crazy night of clocking. Don't worry though, I can still do the thing.